Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made my Shiro uniform from Voltron Season 8. This is the pattern I will be using today. You can find a free printable version in the description below. I have cut all my pieces out and laid them out here. I will be using black, white, and gray tool I found at my local Joann's. I sewed the front right to the front sleeve. Then I connected the front top right black piece to the front sleeve top. I repeated those steps for the other side. I then moved to the back and sewed the back top to the back lower, followed by sewing the back sleeves to the back sleeve tops. At this time, I traced my pieces to the lining material and went ahead on sewing that. I also serged my seams on the main body and top stitched all the seams. Go ahead and sew the remaining pieces together. I forgot to add these into the pattern, but the collar is 20 by 6.5 inches and the cuffs are 14 by 6 inches. Cut 2 of each. Sew 3 sides of your collar, press, and top stitch. Now with the jacket and lining, put them with right sides facing. Take the collar and sandwich it in between, and sew along that. Turn the uniform right side out and use a 1/2 inch bias tape to seal the jacket and lining together. I also added the bias tape to the cuff before attaching. You're going to then take your completed cuff, place it inside the sleeve, and sew it to the jacket and lining. Serge if you can. Then turn the cuff and fold. To finish off the jacket, I added a snap to the front, 1 to the collar, and 2 more down the side. You can add more if you like, but mine is fine since I added the belt. And you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. If you're interested in supporting me, check out my Etsy shop where I sell cosplay accessories, or if you want, you can buy me a coffee. That will also help me make more tutorials and provide better free patterns in the future.